We're making a 2.5-inch Acme thread, left-handed. They told me to run it in reverse and put the tool in upside down, but that sounds crazy to me. So I'm going to start it, shut it down. It's now on my lead screw, which is feeding out left-handed. I milled a little starter there. What I'm going to do is follow my lead screw until I land in there. Bring my tool in, come in a little bit, my cutting fluid, 29.5 degrees, so I got my tool post set at half of that, and then while I'm in there, just turn it on.